Welcome to Home of Math. Factorization practice part 1. Let's start. First question. AB x minus y minus BC x minus y. So this expression has two parts. One is AB minus xy, another one is BC times x minus y. So which one is common? Here is b, here is b, here is x minus y, here is x minus y. So we can take common b x minus y. So here is a minus c, and this is our answer. Very simple. Number 2. 9x square plus 24x plus 16. Look, this 9 is a perfect square, also 16 is a perfect square. So in this case we can write like this: 3x square, it means 9x square, plus this one is 16, we can write 4 square. Here is plus, so we can write plus 2ab, it means 2 times 3x, it means x, times 4 means b. Okay, now look, 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 4 is a 24, and here is x, so this is x. So this one, as per a plus b whole square, means a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write a plus b whole square, it means 3x plus 4 whole square, and this is our answer. Number 3. A to the power 4 minus 27a square plus 1. This one, a to the power 4 and 1, we can write a square, then square, and here is plus 1 square. Here is minus sign, so we can write 2ab. 2 times a means a square times b means 1. But look, here is minus 2a square, but here is minus 27a square. So till we need minus 25a square. Now look, minus 2a square and minus 25a square, it means minus 27a square. So for this one we can write a minus b whole square, it means a square minus 1 whole square minus this 25a square, we can write 5a then square. So it's looking like a square minus b square, it means a plus b times a minus b. Here is, this one is a square and this one is b square, so we can write a plus b, it means a square minus 1 plus 5a, and then a minus b, so a square minus 1 minus 5a. Okay, now we can synchronize like a square minus 5a minus 1, and then a square plus 5a minus 1, and this is our answer. Okay, so number 1 2 3 1 2 3 done. Our target, this video we will try to solve at least 10 math. Number 4, x to the power 4 minus 6 x square y square plus y to the power 4. So this x to the power 4 and y to the power 4, we can write x square whole square, and here is y square square. Okay, now this minus 6x square y square. So for a minus b whole square theory, we know a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square and b square we already get. So minus 2ab, we can write 2, a means x square and b means y square. But look, here is minus 6x square y square, but here is minus 2x square y square. So till we need minus 4x square y square. Okay, now against this line x square minus 2x square y square plus y square, we can write x square minus y square whole square, and here is minus 4x square y square, we can write 2xy square. So as per theory, a square minus b square, it means a plus b times a minus b. So we can write this one x square plus y square minus 2xy, or we can write x square plus y square, what, a plus b and a minus b. So look, this one is minus, so x square minus y square minus 2xy, x square minus y square plus 2xy. Okay, now this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. So factorization number 4 done. Now number 5. 5, a square minus b square times x square minus y square plus 4abxy. So first we multiply this a square minus b square and x square minus y square. So we can write a square x square minus a square y square, then minus b square x square plus b square y square. Okay, so we multiply each other. Now here is 4abxy. Now we have to make a plan. Suppose here is a square x square and here is b square y square. So against this one we can write like a square x square, and from here we can write plus 2abxy, and this one b square y square minus, we can take common here minus, so or we can write direct a square y square, and here is balance, here is 4abxy, we already write 2abxy, so here again we can write 2abxy, and here is this one minus b square x square. Okay, now this one we can write ax plus by whole square, right? We can take common, here is minus, so a square y square, this one become minus 2abxy, and this minus become plus b square x square. So this one also we can write like, here is ax plus by whole square minus this one we can write ay minus bx whole square. Okay, so it's looking a and b, so a square minus b square. Now this one we can write, we know a square minus b square means a plus b times a minus b. So here is a is ax plus by, and then plus b means ay minus bx. This is a plus b, then a minus b. So again a means ax plus by, then minus b means what, ay minus bx. Okay, now we can write ax plus by plus ay minus bx, right? And here is ax plus by minus ay plus bx. Okay, and this is our answer. Number 6, here is 4a square minus 12ab, then plus 9b square minus 4c square. Look, here is 4a square, we can write 2a square. Here is plus 9b square, we can write 3b square. So against this one we can write minus 2 times 2ab. A means 2a and b means 3b. And look, 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12. It means here is minus 12ab. And here is minus 4c square, we can write 2c then square. So this one we can write 2a minus 3b whole square, because it's looking a square minus 2ab plus b square, minus this is 2c square. We will unchange this one. Now it's looking a square minus b square, so we can write 2a minus 3b plus 2c, again 2a minus 3b minus 2c, and this is our answer. So number 6 done. Number 7, here is a square plus 6a plus 8 minus y square then plus 2y. So if you want to factorize this one, you should careful something like, look, here is a square plus 6a plus 8 and here is y square plus 2y, but we will not do anything. But if you systematically work, we can do something like, here is a square plus 6a plus 9 if we write, okay. So we already add 1, so next line or next part we have to minus 1. So here is y square plus 2y minus 1. So plus 9 and minus 1, it means 8. Now look, a square, it means a square, and plus 3 square means 9. So for 6a we can write 2 times a times 3. It means 2 times 3 is a 6, and here is a, and 3 square means 9. So I hope you understand why we add 1. Here is 8 but we write 9, and here is minus 1. Here is also surprising thing, because once we take common minus, here is y square minus 2a plus 1, okay. This one we can write a plus 3 whole square, minus this one we can write y minus 1 whole square, okay. Now it's looking a square minus b square, so we can write a plus 3 plus ab. A plus b, a means a plus 3, b means y minus 1, so y minus 1. Again a plus 3 minus y minus 1, because let a plus 3 equals to x and y minus 1 equals to suppose y, or we can say like m and this one is n. Now a m square minus n square equals to m plus n, m minus n, okay. So it's looking m, it's looking n. So this is m, this is n, this is m, this is n, okay. Now a plus y plus 3 minus 1, it means plus 2, and here is a plus 3 minus y minus and minus plus 1, right. Then here is a plus y plus 2, and here is a minus y plus 3 plus 1, it means plus 4, and this is our answer. Now number 8. Number 8, here is 16 x square minus 25 y square minus 8xz plus 10yz. Now look, this is 16x square minus 25y square. So this one we can write 4x square minus 5y square, okay. Now look, from here this is minus and here is 8 and 10, both are even numbers, so we can take common what? We can take common 2, okay, and both side here is z, okay, both term has z, so we also take common z. So 8 divide 2, here is a 4, minus we already taken, and 4x, and plus and minus minus 5y, okay, and this one we can write 4x plus 5y, again 4x minus 5y. Why? Because it's looking a square minus b square, so a plus b and a minus b, and here is minus 2z 4x minus 5y. Now look, here is 4x minus 5y, 4x minus 5y, we can take common this one, 4x minus 5y, so we can write 4x plus 5y minus 2z, and this is our answer. So number 8 done. Now number 9, here is x square plus 13x plus 36. So what can we do? We can make middle term factor. Suppose 36 to 18 to 9. Now look, 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 9 is a 36, so 4 times 9 36, again 4 plus 9 equals to 13. So this is x square plus 9x plus 4x plus 36, okay. Now we can take common x, so here is x plus 9, and also here take common 5, again x plus 9, and finally we can take common this expression x plus 9, so here is x plus 4. So x plus 9 times x plus 4 is our answer. So number 9 done. And today's final math, number 10. Number 10 we can write here 10, here is x to the power 4 plus x square minus 20. So this one, this 20, this one also we can make middle term factor. 20 we can divide by 10, again 2 we can divide by 10 divided by 2, here is a 5. So look, 4 times 5 equals to 20, again 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Now look, why we are doing like this? This is x to the power 4 and here is x square, it means half of power. So for this reason we are trying to factorize by middle term factor. So x to the power 4 plus 5x square minus 4x square minus 20, right? 5x square minus 4x square, it means x square, and 5 times 4 is a 20. So we can take common x to the power x square, so here is x square plus 5, again we can take common only 4, so x square plus 5. Now from this term we can take common x square plus 5, so our here is x square minus 4, okay. Now till we can do something like x, here is x square plus 5, so this x square minus 4 we can write x plus 2 and x minus 2, and this is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. From part 1 we are trying to solve 1 to 10 and we are factorize this 10 math, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially Cambridge IGCSE O level, and for SAT this is also important. So no more today. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box and subscribe my channel and share.